first we must download the library of the PCM. So this one. Okay guys, so we go to our program. So first we must download the library of the PCM. So this one, PCM. So if you have internet, you just go to library, include library here, just manage, and then the internet here will appear, and then just type PCM. Yeah, that right. So if you already download just click here, click here, include library, and then here add zip. You just add zip, and then network here. So just click OK, and then let me say here at here document here. So library, Arduino library, and we find here PCM. Okay, so we have it. Okay, so let's move. Just click here, then click example, and then find the PCM here, and then click playback. Okay, so we find it. Okay guys, so if this one, the Arduino, this library provide the example here, so you can use it, so let's try.
Arduino 2009.
So that is example from PCM library. So we can use our own music or voice to create the music here. So if you want to play it, just preset.
Arduino 2009.
Okay, so let's create our own music. Okay, so here first I'm finished to record my voice. Here, Cyberdude. So let's just play here. Let's just play. Hi, back again with me, Cyberdude. Okay, so hi, back again with me, Cyberdude. Okay, here 3. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, Cyberdude 1. So first I have audio encoder here, or encode the audio. So click to convert the MP3 to numbering to play the music here in the Arduino. So okay, here let's wait. Okay, done. And then we open it. Okay. Okay. We remove that one. And then paste our new voice here, or new recording music here. So let's upload it. So let's upload. We just wait. Okay, so that my voice when I record before this session, and then just click it. Okay, so if you want to play it again and again to, or repeat the player, you just copy this one and then paste here, and then you must put delay. Just let's put is 2000 here. Okay, let's upload. Okay, you just wait for a second. Okay. Okay, so let's try another music. Oh. Okay. So let's try another music or recording here. So this one. So guys, if you want to convert the music here, I just create my own recording, my own voice recording here in Audacity here. Just open and find your music 3. Yes, this one. And then we must convert here format to 16 PCM and then to 8000. Okay, so let's export to MP3. Desktop here, 3.4. Okay, and then it's okay. It's finished. Okay guys, so this one, let's try this music. Oh. Okay. It's fine. Where is it? 3.4 here. Okay, copy. And then let's remove the old one here. Okay, let's upload. I'm sorry, it's
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
okay guys, so the music the voice is telling me is don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, that is ending of my tutorial here, the Arduino talking. So guys, if you have a question or any suggestion or maybe project you want to ask to me, and let me help if I can help that one. And then don't forget to subscribe. Just the music say that don't forget to subscribe. And then don't forget also to like it and share it. If you have any question, just comment below, and then I will share you my little knowledge about the Arduino. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and God bless.